Our winter storm has just started in the south, and there's a clear change to what we originally thought. Here's a simulated model of our system as it moves through the United States, but we have noticed that there is a significant uptrend to what the models were thinking, so we could see snow in more areas than originally thought. Right here are all of our areas that are under winter storm watches or warnings. Anywhere in the pink are in winter storm watches, anywhere in that purple are in winter weather advisories, and anywhere in those dark blues over there on the eastern coast are winter storm watches. If you're in a winter weather advisory, expect around an inch or more of snow, and then 1/10 of an inch or more of ice. And if you're in a winter storm warning, expect more than an inch of snow, maybe even up to 3 inches in most places. And then also expect values of ice up to 1/4 of an inch. Now we are in 48 hours for all of the United States for the system, so here are all the National Weather Service offices' expected snowfall. So we have already seen around 3 to 4 inches in Fort Worth, Texas. Dallas has seen a little bit less snow than Fort Worth, but this is a significant uptrend to what we thought yesterday. Yesterday, we thought that Fort Worth maybe won't even break an inch of snowfall, and they have quadrupled that. Still, it looks like our prime spot for high snowfall totals is going to be along that Oklahoma-Arkansas border, where you can see values of around 7 to maybe even 8 inches of snow. And then also Little Rock, Arkansas should see around 6 to 7 inches of snow. Then as we move our view, as you can see, areas like Nashville, Tennessee could see around 3 to 4 inches of snow. Memphis could see up to 5 inches of snow. And Knoxville could see around 5 to 7 inches of snow. Then widespread across all of Kentucky, you should see around 3 to 4 inches of snow. And then in the southern parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, you should see around another 3 to 4 inches of snow. And for the rest of those states, around a trace to 2 inches. Then heading over to St. Louis, Missouri, around 2 to 3 inches of snow. In the southeast corner of Missouri, you could see around 5 to 6 inches of snow. And then in the northern parts of those deep south states like Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, you will see around a trace to 3 inches of snow. In the Atlanta area, should see around an inch of snow. Then as we move over here, you can see places like North Carolina, we'll see around 2 to 3 inches of snow in the non-mountainous areas. Raleigh with around an inch of snow. Fayetteville with a dusting of snow. Charlotte with a 1/2 inch. Greensboro with 2 to 3 inches. And then the hotspot area could be southeastern Virginia, over there near Norfolk. You could see around 3 to 4 inches of snow over there. And then most of West Virginia should see around 2 to 4 inches of snow. And Pennsylvania will get around an inch to 2 inches of snow. Everywhere except for the areas close to the Great Lakes, you will have higher totals, of course. And then for the Northeast, you should see about a trace or a light little dusting of snow. And then as ice totals start to move in, it looks like southern Arkansas could have a big ice problem. And then the northern middle parts of the deep south states should have some ice problems as well, including South Carolina and North Carolina. Now, this is a cool map from the Weather Prediction Center I do want to show you. So anywhere that's white is where you should see all snow. Anywhere that is a dashed little black and white, that's where you have heavy snow possibilities. Anywhere that's a purplish blue, that's where you're going to see mixed precipitation. Anywhere that's a pink, black dashed line, that's where freezing rain is likely. And then anywhere that is green or has those green semicircles is where you can see rain or thunderstorms. So as we play this through, this is for today. So as you can see, some mixed precipitation from Alabama all the way to Texas. And then areas like Tennessee should see just snow. Areas like Oklahoma should see mostly just snow. And areas like Missouri should see mostly just snow. But do notice that the heavy snow possibilities are also where you're likely to get some mixed precipitation. And then this is the same thing for tomorrow, Friday. As you can see, you have that heavy snow probability for almost all of Tennessee. That's where the heaviest snow should fall tomorrow. And then you have freezing rain stretching from southern Virginia all the way to Arkansas. And mixed precipitation for those same areas that I just listed. And then rain south of there. And then everywhere north of Tennessee and North Carolina, that's where you should see mostly all snow. And then by Saturday morning, this should be completely cleared out. But you can still see a wintry mix from North Carolina all the way up to Long Island. And then just snow north of Long Island. Could even see a little bit of a severe weather threat materialize in Florida. And right here is our winter storm severity index. So this is how much the winter storm will impact your day-to-day life with road travel and power outages. So the areas that see more ice will see a higher rating on this. As you can see, areas east of Dallas are in that extreme category, and areas of southern Arkansas are in that extreme category. Everywhere from Texas all the way to Tennessee are in the moderate, where you are likely going to see quite some impacts. And then areas like Kentucky, North Carolina, and Georgia are in the minor category, where you could see a couple power outages and road travel may be a mess. But that is really all. I'm going to leave us off with the 18Z run of the HRRR on the East Coast. And as you can see, we are likely to get some snow in North Carolina that then transitions into a wintry mix. But that is really all. If you did enjoy it, be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to let me know down below how much snow you're expecting to get and if you've seen snow or not this year. That is really all. So I'll see you guys in the next video.